Nidec Copal Electronics Aerodynamic Bearing Microblowers Product Overview. This presentation will introduce the TF037 and TF029B series aerodynamic bearing microblowers from Nidec Copal Electronics. It will highlight the unique features and benefits of these microblowers, and this tutorial will review the specifications and dimensions of the series and highlight potential applications. Shown here are pictures of Nidec Copal Electronics' air-bearing microblowers. These microblowers have ultra-high-speed rotation and high static pressure, although they are very compact and lightweight. In addition, they have very long life characteristics and very low vibration. Shown here is the image of air bearings and their operating principles. Air bearings are a slide bearing which generate pressure in the sleeve by self-rotation. The bearing consists of a rotating sleeve and a fixed shaft. As you see in the chart on the right, first, the sleeve floats gradually with the increase in rotation. Then, it becomes stable at the position where balance is maintained. Usually around 6,000 to 10,000 RPMs, we start seeing contactless stability in the air bearing structure. This unique contactless bearing structure developed by Nidec Copal Electronics generates the ultra-high-speed rotation. Shown here is the comparison of the common bearing types for microblower products in the marketplace today. Non-contact air bearings contribute to a much longer lifespan compared to other bearing type blowers. There are three major bearing types: ball bearings, oil bearings, and aerodynamic or air bearings. Ball bearings and oil bearings are dependent on temperature, while on the other hand, Nidec Copal Electronics' air bearings do not depend on temperature. Air bearings show a significant increase in longevity of the life of the microblower and, technically speaking, have infinite life unless there is a deterioration of the materials which make up the bearing. With our air bearing structure, there is no concern for oil leaks or grease leaks that are inherently present in other bearing designs. Here are PQ curve characteristic diagrams of TF037 and TF029B, our two main models of microblowers. It shows the relationship between the airflow and static pressure. Please reference this chart when considering the performance of the blowers in your applications. This chart represents the reaction of pressure and airflow, while the number of rotations of the blower remains fixed. Nidec Copal Electronics has a proven track record in providing high quality and highly reliable air-bearing microblowers to various markets, such as medical equipment, various industrial equipment, home appliances, data storage devices, and printing machines. Shown here are pictures of the TF037 and TF029 series air-bearing microblowers. Certain models, as you can see, the TF037C-2100 version offers the mounting tabs just like the TF037E version. In the TF037 lineup, the C version is recommended for industrial and manufacturing type applications, while the E version is recommended for fuel cell applications. The TF037F model is made up of materials compliant with the FDA and medical applications. Our TF029B model is standard with FDA and medical grade materials. Shown here are the specifications of TF037 and TF029B microblowers for your reference. In the TF037 lineup, the C version is recommended, as I mentioned, for industrial and manufacturing type applications, while the E version is for fuel cell applications. Please note, the TF037E and the -2100 version of the TF037C offer the mounting plate and tabs. Please keep this in mind when designing. You will see drawings on the next page for reference. The TF037F model again, is made up of materials compliant with the FDA and geared for medical applications, while this is standard for the TF029B model. Here are outline dimensions of the TF037 and the TF029B microblowers for your reference. Again, keep in mind the differences in the mounting plate and tab of the -2100 version and the TF037E version. Development support kits are also available for microblowers. Comes with a blower, a driver, and a wire set in each kit, and it's for quick sample evaluation to help customers shorten their period of development. Shown here is a standard board to drive the microblowers, and it is included in a development support kit or sold separately. In summary, Nidec Copal Electronics' microblower is a compact and lightweight product with very long life. The microblowers perform powerful PQ characteristics because of high-speed rotation of the air-bearing technology. Principal applications are medical equipment, industrial equipment, fuel cells, servers, 3D printers, and more. Please consult with your Integra Electronics sales representative for more details on Nidec Copal Electronics' microblower products. Thank you for your time and have a great day.